everyone, I'm Matilda.
And I'm Peyman.
And since 2018 we are cycling around the world for 10 years. Now in the fall of 2019 we have reached the Gambia and we are cycling the west coast of Africa towards south. Now is also the time that we are launching our Patreon.
Patreon is a platform which lets the artists and other content creators like YouTubers to have a regular income and get paid for what they are doing. As you might know, we are documenting our trip and share it with all of you on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook and so on. Having a regular income will give us a peace of mind and will let us to focus on what we are doing and create a better content for all of you.
But don't get us wrong, even if it's a lot of work, we love what we do and we will do it anyway. The thing is just that the plan from the beginning was to go back to Finland and work our old jobs every now and then to save up some more money.
Last day of work! Yes!
But if we can make money from the work that we do on the road, that would mean that we do not have to take a break, because that would also mean a break from posting content for you guys. So we would want to avoid that.
One of the ideas of our Patreon is to create a special community with all of you guys, where we can share some more videos and more content with you.
Thank you so much for already being part of our adventures, no matter if you're a Patreon or not. And don't worry, we will always post our vlogs and gear reviews for free on YouTube. So the Patreon is just a way for us to give some extra perks to the people who would like to support us.
For more information, you are welcome to check out our Patreon page. Link is in the description below.
Or if you are already on our Patreon, thank you so much and welcome. You will be able to find all of the information somewhere around here.
See you in the next vlog.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.